during day-to-day work, sometimes it happens like, oh, leads बहुत अच्छे आ रही हैं, right? And then there is, in funnel there are steps, right? So at one step it is something very good, and the another step कुछ workout नहीं, and immediately negative mindset आ जाए कि नहीं हुआ, this is not gonna happen, but still you are putting in effort. वो negative self-talk immediately आ जाता है, and it happens maybe 50 times a day.
Yeah.
So what are the hacks to deal with this self-negative talk?
Perfect. So the thing is, I think Aditya and I were having this conversation, and I think he mentioned that yesterday as well. So if there's a place where I'm not very strong yet, I'll put somebody else who's strong, right? So I don't need to know on an everyday basis that my leads are not working. I have a manager. You all have managers or teams. Say, this is how we need to make it work. Every bad news doesn't need to come to you. The GM of this hotel doesn't know every complaint. He does a morning meeting, और जो major complaints है उसके बाद पहुंचती है. You don't need to know every bad thing about your business, because I mean we're torturing an untrained mind कि सारी bad news मेरे पास लेके आओ. वो bad news दोपहर तक ठीक हो जाती है. पहली बात, 2 दिन में ठीक हो जाती है, हफ्ते में ठीक हो जाती है. And if the bad news is not getting sorted, then it will come to you in a weekly meeting or a daily meeting or in every 2 days, and then you can figure out a way of doing it. You don't have to get every piece of news coming to you. Somebody else should be the owner of the steps, and you can be the owner of the outcome. Okay, now what are the changes that I need to make? Because every piece of bad news, like for me, it's a morning meeting which is sacrosanct. Morning meeting में सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए मुझे कि कल क्या हुआ. MMD, DER, that's it. उसके बीच में तो टीम कर रही है काम. Let them figure it out. Why do we hire sales people? Why do we hire operations people? Because अगर founder sales और operations और जब rejection, I'm calling appointment setters, जब rejection आती है, एक sales वाला आपको 60 में से 8 भी लीड लाके क्लोज करवा सकता है. हम लोग 60 में से अगर हमारे को 8 करानी होगी ना, हम हार जाएंगे. बिकॉज हमारे पीछे इतने ड्रीम्स है, वो टूटते हुए दिखेंगे. उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, उसको सैलरी मिल रही है, वो बोलेगा नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट. सो हायर दैट पर्सन हु इज नॉट इमोशनली इन्वॉल्वड इन एवरी नो. सेम फॉर ऑपरेशंस. हायर द पर्सन हु इज नॉट इमोशनली इन्वॉल्वड इन एवरी ये नहीं चल रहा.
Great.